Let's solve this question together. It says a plus c is equal to 3, b plus d is equal to 12, c minus d is equal to 5, and a b is equal to 15. We're required to solve for the values of a, b, c, and d in this equation. Okay. Now let's call this equation 1, call this equation 2, call this equation 3, and call this equation 4. Okay. Now the first thing we can do here is we can say equation 2 plus equation 3. So 2 plus 3 will give us b plus c, okay? B plus c equal to 17. Okay. Now we can also see something here. Let's now call this equation 5. Okay. Now let's say from equation 4, a is equal to 15 over b. Okay, so from 4, a is equal to 15 over b. So let's put a as 15 over b in equation 1. We have 15 over b plus c is equal to 3. Okay, make this equation 6. Alright. Now let's say equation 5 minus equation 6. Okay, so equation 5 minus equation 6 will give us b minus 15 over b to be equal to 14. Multiply each time here by b, we have b times b as b squared minus 15 to be equal to 14b. Okay. Now from here we have that b squared minus 14b minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. Now moving on from here, we can say that let's factorize this. So we have b, okay, and b equals to 0. Now 15 times this is negative 15. 2 factors of negative 15 that when I add to give me this is negative 15 and plus 1. Okay. Now this multiplies to give me negative 15, and this plus this is negative 14. So I have that our b is equal to 15 or negative 1. Okay. Now recall that our a plus b is 15. Okay. Sorry, a times b is 15. So it means that our a from here will now be equal to 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1, or 15 divided by negative 1 is negative 15. Okay, so this is our a. Now what's our b? Sorry, what's our d rather? Our d is equal to, from equation 2, we have that our d will now be equal to, so putting b as 15 here, we have 12 minus 15, which is equal to negative 3, or putting b as negative 1 here, we have 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Lastly, our c. Now, lastly for our c, recall that we had our a is equal to 1 or negative 15. So our c can now be equal to, put a as 1 here, we have 3 minus 1, which is 2, or put a as negative 15 here, we have negative 15 crossing over will give us positive 15, plus 3 is equal to 18. Okay, so these now are the values of a, b, c, and d in this equation. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.